Now, let's look at an answer to the metaphysical question, because the question I think I really want to talk about in this section, talking about moral reasoning, is just the metaphysical concept of truth, what truth in reality is. So the question, what makes it about a given statement? What is it, sorry, about a given statement? What characteristic of the statement makes it true or false? And there's a simple answer to be given to this. A simple answer that's very controversial, I should mention. But I don't think it is. I mean, it seems pretty straightforward to me, and I think I'm going to ask you to buy this, at least to to for the sake of our discussion, to help us get past this. Okay, and the answer is comes by way of something that's called the correspondence theory of truth. And what the correspondence theory of truth tells us is that what makes something true or false is that it corresponds or it correctly describes the way the world is, reality. That is, a proposition is true or a statement is true, just in case it correctly describes the way the world is. So let's go back to statement number one. There's a desk in the room, in the classroom. Well, what makes that true? Imagine you're sitting in a classroom. This is where we're having this whole discussion. Or here, where in my classroom, I have a desk sitting here. What makes that statement true, that there's a desk in the room, is that there is a desk here in the room, that there actually is a desk in the room. In fact, it sounds pretty trivial, but it's not whether people saw it, whether people have confirmed it, etc. It's that what makes a statement true is the fact that it correctly describes the way the world is. And it seems to me that a couple of things are worth noting, or at least two things, exactly a couple of things. Two things are worth noting about truth. When we're talking about this, truth is objective. That is, it's not a matter of opinion. It's not the controversy. People may disagree about whether something's true or false, but when they're ascribing truth to a certain statement, they're claiming that that is an objective fact. That's the way the world is. And it seems to me that people are also saying, when they're saying things about what makes this statement true or what is truth, they're saying it's absolute. That is, the truth doesn't change. And that doesn't mean that we might have a general statement that it's raining out and never that the truth of that never changes. But if we're looking at a specific statement, it is raining now, or take it is raining now, to say it is raining here and now. That statement, if true, is absolutely true. It's not partially raining and partially unraining. When it's telling you it's truth, it's telling people are telling you that truth is objective and absolute.